Good morning children, Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Yes, very good. Children, all of you are studying at your home, doing your homework. Yes? Okay. So now tell me which subject we are going to study today. Yes, we are going to study subject English. Okay? And in English, children, what we are going to study? Today we are going to study from our Shrima English workbook. Okay? Shrima English workbook. All of you are doing your work in your books? Yes? Okay. So children, in Shrima English workbook, what we are going to study today? Today our topic is circle the first letter of the picture and circle the letter with which the word represented by the picture begins. Okay, children, see, pictures will be given to you and the words will be given to you, like letters will be given, and you have to circle the first letter of the given picture. Okay, like see, here I have drawn a star. Okay, what is this star? P-C-S. Now see, this is star. Is B for star? No. C for star? No. S for star. So what we have to do? We have to circle S. Okay. So pictures will be given and we have to circle the first letter of the picture. Okay. And in next one, circle the letter with which the word represented by the picture begins. In this also, children, we have to do the same thing, but both this exercise is in the other page, another page, and the heading is circle the first letter of the picture, and this exercise is in another page. Okay, and its heading is this. Okay, but in both the pages, in both the exercise, we have to do the same thing. Okay, so see, like this we have to do. See here. Now the children, see, picture is given, letters are given. What we are going to do? We are going to circle the first letter of the picture. Now tell me which picture, what is this? This is sun. Now tell me, and the letters given are U, T, S, H. Which letter we will circle? S. S for sun. So we are going to circle letter S. S for sun. Now the next picture is of cake, and the letters given are J, C, K, M. Tell me, J for cake? No. C for cake? Yes. So we are going to circle C. C for cake. C for cake. Now the next picture is of boat. Now letters given are B, G, and L. B for boat? Yes, so we are going to circle B. B for boat. Now, the next picture is of an umbrella. Q, letters given are Q, V, and U. Is Q for umbrella? No. V for umbrella? No. N for umbrella? No. U for umbrella. So, we are going to circle U. U for umbrella. Now the last picture is of a dog, and the letters given are E, D, H, I. E for dog? No. D for dog? Yes. So we have circled D. So children, understood what we have to do? We have to circle the first letter of the given picture. Okay. Now we are going to do this exercise in our workbook. So all of you be ready. Now we are going to start. Okay? Yes. Okay children, all of you are ready with your book, pencil and eraser. So today what we are going to do? Circle the first letter of the picture. Okay? See, pictures are given and we have to circle the first letter of the picture. Okay? Now tell me, what is this? Tell me, what is this? Tell me. Yes, this is key. So tell me, what will be the first letter for the key? Key. K Y, key. So what we are going to do? We are going to circle K. We are going to circle K because key starts with K. Okay. Now the next picture is of star. The next picture is of star. Now see S-C-E, star, S-T-A-R. So what we are going to circle? Which letter we are going to circle? Yes, we are going to circle letter S. Now the third picture is of pencil. The third picture is of pencil. And the words given are P, Q, D. So, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. So, which letter we will circle? P for pencil. So, we have circled P. Okay. Now, the next picture is of a tree. Tree. And the letters given are T, H, D. So tell me, T for tree. T-R-E-E, tree. T for tree. So we are going to circle T. Okay. Now the next picture is of a book. This is book. So the letters given are D, H, B. D, H, B. So, B for book. B for book. So, what we are going to circle? Which letter we are going to circle? Yes, very good. B for book. B for book. So, children, what we have done? Circle the first letter of the picture. Okay. K for key. S for star. P for pencil, T for tree, and B for book. Now we are going to do the next exercise is circle the letter with which the word represented by the picture begins. Okay. Now we are going to circle the letter with which the word represented by the picture begins. Okay. Now we are going to circle the letter with which the picture will be starting. Okay. By which the picture begins. Okay. So tell me, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Yes, this is an egg. This is an egg. So is A for egg? No. E for egg. Yes. So what we are going to circle? We are going to circle letter E because E for egg. E for egg. Now tell me, which is the next picture? Yes, this is a glass. Next picture is of a glass. And the letters given are Q, P, G, Y. Q, P, G, Y. And G for glass. G for glass. So we are going to circle letter G. Okay. Now the next picture is of a dog. This is a dog. And the letters given are O, D, C, E. Now tell me, which letter we will circle? Tell me, children. Yes, D for dog. D for dog. So we have circled letter D. D for dog. Now the next picture is of a cup. So the letters given are D, C, F, A. D, C, F, A. Now tell me, which letter we will circle? Very good. C for cup. C for cup. So we have circled letter C. Okay. Now The next picture is of a sun. Okay. Now the letters given are C, E, S, U. Now tell me which letter we will circle. C, E, S or U? Very good. S for sun. S for sun. So we have circled letter S. E for egg. G for glass. D for dog. C for cup. S for sun. So children, we have done 2 exercises. Circle the first letter of the picture and circle the letter with which the word represented by the picture begins. Okay. So you all have to do this exercise in your books. So children, what we have done today? We have done circle the first letter of the picture and circle the letter with which the word represented by the picture begins. Children, in both the exercise we have to do the same thing. Okay. The same thing we have to do in both the exercise. So your today's homework is you all have to practice circle the first letter of the picture. Okay children, in both the exercise pictures are given, words are given, and you have to circle the first letter with which the picture begins. Okay children, thank you. Sai Ram, take care. Bye children.